The ultimate Lumogaze Smileasego Dentures review. Tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you've struggled with uncomfortable or poorly fitting dentures, most people get this wrong by settling for generic solutions. The surprising truth about Lumogaze Smileasego Dentures is that they offer a customizable, comfortable fit that improves eating, speaking and confidence. First, take accurate impressions. You won't believe how much this step affects results. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure a precise mold for your dentures. Next, choose your denture style and material. Most people get this wrong by overlooking material differences. Lumogaze offers options that balance comfort, durability, and natural aesthetics for a confident smile. Adjust fit as recommended. The surprising truth is that even slight misalignments can affect comfort. Use the included adjustment guides or visit a professional for final tweaks. Maintain hygiene properly. You won't believe how critical this is. Daily cleaning with approved solutions ensures durability, prevents odor, and keeps your smile bright. In conclusion, Lumogaze Smileasego Dentures can take you from 0 to pro in oral comfort and confidence. By taking accurate impressions, selecting the right materials, adjusting fit carefully, and maintaining hygiene, you can enjoy dentures that look natural, feel great, and improve your daily life.